Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is unemployment rate dips to 4.7% in November, says PLFS. Now, according to the Periodic Labour Force Survey PLFS conducted by the National Statistics Office NSO, MOSPI, India's unemployment rate for persons aged 15 years and above declined to 4.7% in November, the lowest level since April. Now, of the overall labor force participation rate rose to 55.8%, the highest since April. The rise in LFPR was primarily driven by rural areas, where LFPR increased to 58.6% in November. On a month-to-month basis, rural LFPR increased, while urban LFPR marginally declined to 50.4%. Now, female LFPR showed a steady rise from June to November, reaching 35.1%, and largely due to improved rural female participation. The worker population ratio WPR increased both in rural areas and overall. Also, rural female WPR improved significantly, driving the rise of overall framework female WPR. Urban employment indicators remained largely stable, and the survey covered 3.73 lakh individuals, ensuring robust statistical representation. Now let us talk about some numbers. So, among people aged 15 years and above declined 4.7% in November, the lowest ever since April, when it stood to 5.1%, according to the Periodic Labour Force Survey PLFS report for November released on Monday. The PLFS, conducted by National Statistical Office and NSO of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, stated that the overall labour force participation rate increased to 55.8% in November, and the highest level recorded since April. Now, according to the MOSPI statement based on the PLFS report, the rise in LFPR was primarily driven by rural areas, where it is increased by 58.6% in November from 58% in April. On the month-on-month basis, the rural LFPR rose from 57.8% in October, while the urban LFPR decreased marginally from 50.5% to 50.4%. Overall, the female LFPR showed the steady rise from June 2025 to November to June 2025 to November 2025. The MOSPI said it increased from 32% to 35.1%. And now let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic and why this is important for civil service examination. So this topic becomes highly important for prelims as well as for GS paper 3, which is employment generation challenges, informal sector dominance, gender dimensions of labor force participation, and rural employment sustainability. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.